this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to transfer Google Cloud Console project to another account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com like you usually would, and definitely here you'll need to sign up for your account. Once from here, you'll need to go up to the search bar, and definitely here you'll need to write in I am an admin, like so. Once from here, you'll see on the top results, I am an admin right here, and you'll just need to click on that. And from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to be able to choose the specific project that you want to transfer over to another account. And from here, you'll need to go down to View by Principals. From here, you'll simply click Grant Access. And from here, it should bring something like this. And as you can see over here, the resources will be your project that you want to transfer over to another account. And from here, you'll need to add in principals. And principals are essentially users, groups, domains, or other service accounts that you can paste inside of here. So you just need to write in the specific email that you want to add as a principal or owner to the specific project. Once from here, you will need to go down to Assign Roles. And from here, you can assign a role to the specific email. And from here, once you do that, you'll simply either add another role or add an I am condition right here. And you can choose that right here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Save. And now, as you can see, it is updating and the new user will be added down here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!